Hello and welcome. This short video shall demonstrate you how to configure and operate multiple netLINK devices in one PROFINET network with the same GSDML file. As you can see, I have started my Step 7 software already. In order to show you how this Step 7 software behaves when you drag and drop multiple netLINK devices to a PROFINET network in your project. First, click on Hardware here to see what we have already configured. The left-hand side shows my PLC configuration, and here in the middle of the screen you see my PROFINET slave that I have already picked and placed. I will now drag and drop exactly the same device to the network, and look how Step 7 configures this slave now. You see here the name is different to the first one. It gets an additional -1. Look in comparison. So this is how Step 7 and Siemens identifies the nodes in the network. And of course, it has given them different IP addresses. Since these names make a netLINK device unique in the network, we have to configure this name as well in its configuration. For this, use the Ethernet device configuration utility and choose the protocol DCP after the scan. On a right click, the utility offers you to change the name. So I change it now to the same name that I have previously configured in Step 7. See here, the name is now changed. The utility lets you also configure the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway non-volatile. If you enter a value here, this has to match to the IP address settings in your Step 7 software. Else, the PLC is not able to configure and to get the device operative. Uncheck this option and press OK, and the settings are saved in the device. Check again for the right settings in your Step 7 software. Double-click to the device, here's the name and the IP address. Thank you for your attention.